Hi, Mary with Big Cartel Support here. Today I'm going to walk you through arranging and rearranging products in your admin and storefront. So let's start by heading to the product section of your admin. You can navigate to that section by clicking the little tag icon button in the admin's main navigation where it says products. Okay, now we're on the main product page and we can see a list of all of our products. When I added these to my shop, they were automatically added so that the newest item is displayed at the very top of that list. Or if you're in the grid view, which you can find by clicking the little action menu and clicking view as a grid, your newest product will add to the top left corner of this view. So to rearrange the order of products, we're going to use the drag and drop icon, which is this like little plus with arrows, and you're just going to click on that and you can drag your products into whatever order you like. So if you want your t-shirts together or whatever you have, you can drag those into whatever order. So if you're on one of our paid plans and you're not seeing this little icon, chances are that you're viewing this in the inventory view, which is also found under the action menu. So if you click view as inventory, you can see that it tells you the quantities of items, but you're not able to drag and drop. There's no drag and drop icon. So you'll just want to make sure that you hide inventory and then you can move your products around. So now let's click over to our storefront to see the products in this order. So I already have this open, so you can see they don't correspond. So I'm going to refresh this page, and now you can see that those products match the order of products in my admin. So that's the basics of rearranging products in your storefront. That order will typically correspond to the order of products in your admin. But there are themes that let you select a different method for sorting the featured products that appear on your home page. So you can see these are my featured products. And to look at that, you're going to actually find that in the Customized Design area of your shop. So that's on the Account page. Click Customize Design, and you can see that there's some options to play around with your featured product order. Right now, this is set to regular, and I could have that choose the newest products, top selling, or most viewed, and you can see that those arrange the home products, the featured products, in a different order. But if I went to all products, that would still correspond to the order of products listed in my admin. You could also, if you go back to your home page, you can select on some themes, a different number of products to display on your featured products list. So just remember that not all themes have that feature. So if you want to see how your theme displays featured products and possibly change that up, those settings can be found in the Customized Design section of your admin. Or you can head to our help site and look up your theme and see if there's any information on that there. All right, that's it. If you have any questions about rearranging your products or anything else about running your shop, you can always email us at support@bigcartel.com. You can see that email is right there. Or if you're logged into your admin, you'll see a speech bubble in the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can click that and send us a message. We're happy to help anytime. Thanks for joining me. Catch you next time.